Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. Okay, so today we're going to do this very popular song. Some of you must have been playing this song in church, but let's just check it out and see some music. Alright, so it goes you are God, or if you've not been, so you can start. If you want to like solo the song, you can do 5 flat, flat 6, 5 flat 5 to 5. So you can do something like that. You are God from beginning to the 3, then to 4, then 6, then 2, 3, 4 to 5, 2, 5, 5, 1. Okay, so let's just go through that. So we have you are God, then a passing chord 2, 3 to your 4. So that goes. I'm sure you can just pick this on the camera. Yeah. Right? You can see that. No devil must stop you from seeing this. You must see it clearly. If you've not clicked the subscribe button, don't forget to click it. Yeah. So you see the next video. Then to 4. So you are God from beginning to the end. Then you go to 6. So when you do your 6 on your left, you do 5 on right. So there's this contemporary feel it gives. So if you've not been doing that, so then you do 2, 3, 4. So 2, 3, 4 to 5. If you've watched my lesson on we give you all the glory, we worship, same thing, to our God. So you will have learned that. So but if you've not learned it, so it's just 4 flat 6 and 2 on 2. So the baseline is 2, 3, 4 to 5, 5, 1. So right hand 4 flat 6 and 2. So then to 5 flat 7 and 3, then to minus 6, 1 and 4. Then you can come to this again. Then you do your 5. So look at it together. It goes 2, 3, right? 4. You know we're going back to 2, right? 2, then to 5, 5. Then you can do this ancient 5. What's this called again? That's dominant. Is it dominant? Let me okay, yeah, it's the dominant chord. So dominant 5. You know, 2 is minus, your 5 is dominant. You remember the theory, right? The 5 is dominant, and then your 1 is major. So that's 2, 5, 1. So one more time. God from the beginning to the. So don't forget this also. Instead of you are God from beginning to the end. Instead of being 2, 3, 4. If you want to go from 1 to 4, you can always do you are 1, then you do 5, 1, 4. But basically, when the music is just starting, I'll just prefer you do 1, 2, 3, 4. You know, I always preach it like you take things up. You don't just get to a place and then start playing like you are the best in Africa, in whatever country or planet. No, you don't do that. So you start, you take this up. So you start from simple to complex. That's if there will be need for complex. So there are some services I just play like a very basic pianist, like a very basic pianist. And there are some other service where you know that, oh, who is that guy on the keyboard? I must meet him or. Right, so make sure you click subscribe button. God bless you to learn more. Thank you.